Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Ishowbeauty. They sent me this 24-inch honey blonde curls. I'm not sure about the details, but I'm going to link the details on my description box. So this is a closer wig, as you guys can see, but I'm going to be installing this like a full frontal wig. So I'm going to start off by putting my cap, and I'm going to go in with my blasting spray from Got To Be. You can get this from Discam, if not Clicks. So I'm gonna start and just spray this on my cap, and I am going to make sure that it is entirely dry before I cut it. And I'm going to apply some foundation on the wig cap so that it's going to appear as my skin. And then after that, I am going to start and cut the lace. If you've been watching my videos, you know that you have to make sure that the front is actually clean before you apply your wig. So now I'm just gonna put the wig on so that I can fit it and see if it needs a bit plugging. But this hair was not plugged, so I decided to just plug it myself. I tried. So I'm gonna go in with the glue, this Max Melt glue, and I'm going to apply 3 layers of this glue, because I actually wanted the hair to actually last me, but I ended up just taking off the hair the next day. So yeah, as you can see on this video, the glue is actually like getting clear and clear. This is what you want before you actually lay your wig. So now I'm going to start and revive my curls. I'm going to part my hair so that I can see how I want my hair to be. I'm going to part this in a middle part, and then I am going to start and just spray some water. And also make sure that before you apply your product, your hair is always wet, completely wet, so that the product will stay on the curls. That's one thing I just learned. You can't put product on dry hair, but maybe you can like use some mousse, and then the hair is going to be completely wet. So yeah, I always start with water, and then I go in with some mousse. You can get this mousse from Discam. If you're not from South Africa, I don't know where you can get it. I think online, but this is a Kantu mousse. This is absolutely amazing. The price though is ridiculous, but I love it anyways. And always make sure that your denim brush is always next to you when you're actually doing this process, because you want those curls to actually pop, you know. I always do this so that the curls will just come back in order for me to actually see like if I still need to put more product or not. After that, I'm gonna go in with my John Frieda cream. This is a reviving cream, I think, curl reviving cream. I love this product. I did post about it on Instagram, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It makes your curls so nice and smooth. If you actually want your curls to look like this, you can actually get it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my pair of scissors, and just cut off the lace. And I'm going in with zigzag, as you guys can see. So yeah, and then I'll take some Got To Be blasting spray and just apply this using the back of my comb, so that the lace at the front is going to melt actually. I'm gonna go in with my comb, my hot comb. This process I just hate it, but I have to do it. I always burn myself and I just need to do it, but the burning, I don't like it. So yeah guys, these are the curls. This was just so fast and I love these curls. I absolutely love them, especially when they're dry. I absolutely love them. Always go in with your moisturizer for your curls to not be dry, to always stay hydrated and moisturized. So yeah, let's jump into doing our makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna go in with some powder on my brows just so I can set them before I go in with the pencil. I think that this process helps because the pencil always just glides so well, so smoothly, and I can control where I want my pencil to actually go. Let me just say that. So yeah. So I'm gonna fill in my brows as you can see, and I am going to take my concealer and just start by just correcting the under eye. And I'm using the concealer that I'm gonna be using to highlight my face because I wanted a natural look. So yeah. And then when I've corrected my brows, I'm gonna go in with this brush and just smooth everything out and blend everything out on my brows. I did not prime my face here because I feel like I don't have pores, so I just go in with my foundation, and I'm going to be using my brush to blend in the foundation. I find this very helpful just to get like a flawless finish. I feel like a beauty blender sometimes actually sucks all the product, so I just go in with my brush and I am going to start and apply the same shade of concealer I use for my brows under my eye to highlight. I'll use cool heat so that I can make the concealer turkey, because I find it very time consuming when I have to wait for the concealer to actually set before I actually blend it. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender as you guys can see, and I'm starting from the corners so that the concealer is not going to set, and I will find it difficult to blend when it does that. So I'm gonna go in with the cream contour, and I'm going to contour the parts that needs to be contoured, also the jaw. So yeah, you know, yeah, that's the flow. And then I will start and just blend everything in and do my nose, you know, snatch my nose, you know, like, you know, what's your makeup without a snatched nose? You have to snatch your nose, bruh. I'll go in with some pressed powder just to set my contour. I really don't use like a contour palette, what I just use my pressed powder. That's what I use to set my contour, and I'm gonna use my banana powder and just set the under eye. I always make sure that I go in with the powder first before I actually bake. Like, I always make sure that the powder is actually like melted on my skin before I actually bake, because I find that if you actually bake without setting your face first, it's going to give you some ashiness, let me just say that. And I will continue and just I'm going to contour my nose using my pressed powder. And then I'm going to go in with my blush. I got this from I'm gonna link everything down on my description box, but she sent me this cute palette. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. I love to use it on my clients as well, because I find that it is for everyone, for every skin shade, for every skin tone, let me just say that. And I'm gonna go in with this banana powder from Revlon, and I'm going to just place that under my eye, and I will start and do my eye. So I'm gonna firstly go in with some base. This is a P. Louise base. I've had this base for like a year now. I've been counting. So I'm just gonna go in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take the brown shade. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna just put it on the screen so that you guys can see it. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyelid. I am not doing a dramatic look here. I'm just doing a brown smoky eye. It's not really a smoky eye, but it's like a brown natural, you know, yeah. On top of the brown shade, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown so that it's gonna give me that smoky eye that I want. And I'm gonna apply some like pitches, is it pitch? I think it's pitch or whatever color, yeah. And then I am gonna go in with my mascara before I apply my lashes. Dust off the excess powder using my brush from Real Techniques. And yeah, you know, when actually removing your baked powder, you must always make sure that you're actually pressing in the brush. And I'm gonna start and apply my lashes. I got these lashes also from the girl that I'm sorry, like I forgot the name. I got the lashes from the girl that actually sent me the blush palette. Thank you so much for that. And I'm gonna go in on the corners of my eye, and I'm gonna start and line my lips. As you guys can see, I'm gonna be using my concealer. This is a concealer, the darkest concealer from NYX that I got last year, and I'm gonna start and just line my lips before I actually go in with the lipstick. And the lipstick I'm gonna be using is the one from Maybelline. It smells so delicious. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. When doing this lip whatever, you must always make sure that you're blending your lips. You are blending your lips. Take your time to actually blend your lips and go in with the brush again that you used to apply your lip whatever. I'm using a contour cream here. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this essence. I don't know, I got this last year. It's the waterproof what collection though. I'm gonna go in with it under my eye, and I'm done for now. I'm gonna set my face and everything is gonna be sealed. I will see you guys on my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Ishow Hair, for sponsoring this video. The hair is absolutely amazing. I love the color. It suits my skin tone. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. 'Cause when you're